Hi, my name is Chris. I like to make videos when I'm out hiking. Some of the gear I use is smartphones. If I'm gonna make videos with a little more action, like one of my go-kart videos in Thailand, I use the action camera. If I like to have silky smooth video clips, I often use the DJI Pocket 3, but there's more to my channel, not just nature cinematic videos, travel vlogs and stuff like that. It's also photography. Sometimes I use my smartphones, and I also have a Sony a7 III, couple of lenses that I enjoy sometimes bringing out, do some forest photography, nature photography, weddings, confirmation, car photography, and also when I'm on my Thailand trips. That was it, folks. I hope I got the gist of my channel. It's a little bit of everything when it comes to photography and videography. I need to have the microphone very close because it's blowing very heavily now. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. My first real video intro, I think. And now I'm gonna hang around here, watch the sunset, get the relaxing feeling, and try to figure out, you already know how to edit this video. So I hope you either drop by from time to time, check out my videos, or you consider to subscribe.